In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Notion templates on Gumroad in just a few simple steps. To start, let's focus on Notion, a powerful tool that can help organize practically any aspect of your life. Whether you're looking to create a planner, a habit tracker, or a budget tracker, Notion is flexible enough to accommodate your needs. Head over to their website at www.notion.so. Once there, dive in and build your template page. Imagine this as creating a digital product that others could benefit from, streamlining tasks or projects similar to how you do. After crafting your brilliant template and ensuring it's ready to share with others, look to the top right corner of the page and click on Share. You'll want to turn on the Share to Web feature. An additional crucial step is to activate the Duplicate as Template option. This is essential because it allows buyers to copy your template into their own Notion workspace, offering them the seamless integration they're looking for. Keep in mind, the link generated here is something you'll need soon, especially when moving on to the sales platform, Gumroad. The next phase involves setting up an account on Gumroad, which is straightforward and user-friendly. Visit www.gumroad.com and click on Start Selling to set up your free account. As you register, you'll provide basic details like your profile name and email, as well as some payout information. Ensuring this information is accurate will make transactions and communications smooth down the line. Moving along, let's create your product listing on Gumroad. This step can significantly impact how well your product is received. On your Gumroad dashboard, look for and click on the option called New Product. You'll select Digital Product since you are selling a Notion template. Enter a fitting name for your product, such as Notion Daily Planner Template. Setting a price is also part of this step. You could choose to list it for a nominal fee, like $5, or even offer it for free if you wish to attract more customers initially. Upload a preview image or screenshot of your template right from Notion. This visual glimpse is vital in piquing potential buyers' interest. Within the product description section, provide a concise explanation of what your template does and the benefits it offers. Potential buyers should instantly understand the value and efficiency your product will bring to their work or life. Now, add your Notion link. Scroll down to the content section where you'll see options like Add a link or Add text. Here, paste the Notion share link you prepared earlier. This is essential as this link is what buyers will receive post-purchase, granting them access to your product. Finally, it's time to make your product go live. Click on Publish or Save and Continue. You'll then have your own Gumroad product link, something that might look like gumroad.com/mytemplate. With it, you're now set to share your product with the world. Post it on social media, tuck it into YouTube video descriptions, or even share it directly through your Notion page to draw traffic and potential buyers. Each of these steps brings you closer to successfully sharing your productivity aids with others.